Hey there, let's see how you can get and manually create your WhatsApp link using your iPhone. For that, first you have to open up your WhatsApp. Now open up any chat. You can even open your own saved contact or notes chat. And now in the message box, type this link format like wa.me slash give a plus and now followed by your country code. For that I give 1 and enter your WhatsApp number. Once you type it, WhatsApp will automatically turn it into a clickable link. Now press and hold on the link, then choose copy. You can now paste and share this link anywhere on your WhatsApp or any other social media or on your website. And by this, whenever someone clicks that link, it will take them straight to your WhatsApp chat. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.